cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
For the debate, yes, sir. We are waiting your respected Mr. Satish sir. Please join your team. I request Mr. Satish sir. Your team is that the team from Chakwali will be favor in the advantages of mobile phone. And team member from the Jila Singh Inter College will be against the mobile phone. So, first question, team member A. You know that it is the time of modern technology. Everyone is using this technology. So what do you think about this modern technology like mobile phone? I want to know about this, your view.
Mobile phones are a great way to stay in touch with people, especially those who live far away. Mobile phone can help you. You can track your schedule and write down your important dates and set reminders.
Important dates, reminders, these things can be reminded with the mobile phone. So I want to take the view of on this from Ankit.
On the place of the mobile phone, we can use the alarm clock to set the reminder.
And as we take about the human being, work as a natural process when the time is wake up or sleep. As a kind of hormone which is secreted by our brain named as melatonin hormone, which is mostly defected by the mobile phone blue light which is emitted from the mobile phone at night or day. So if we talk about the towers, according to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, it convinced us that total 1.15 billion networks are all over the India which is connected to our surrounding. And these all the networks regarding Jio, Airtel, which affect us, which affect our surrounding.
Health issue. She is saying that with the network and towers has been provided the health issue. So what do you?
It is not even possible that. No, sir, it is not even possible that people live sick through the mobile phones only. Health and fitness. Mobile phone can track fitness activities, monitor metrics, and provide weightless advice.
The mobile phone is do not lose our health, but we get the knowledge of our health.
Students are saying that we can increase the health with the help of mobile phone. So what do you say?
The radiations come from the mobile phone harm our mental health, and the radiations which are emitted from the mobile phone infected our mental health and our legs also. And it is a fact that NIMH, National Institute of Mental Health, said that if we put our mobile phone in our leg for a year, so our legs in our pocket of our leg, then our leg be affected from that.
And I am agree, but you are not saying the right. There are so many sources of radiation. Instead of mobile phones, like the medical, industrial, and pollution and X-rays. So, what are you saying?
You are right that many other machines also produce the radiation, but we are present here to debate on the topic of the mobile phone.
As we know that total 117 crore people who are connected to the network, and if we talk about the number of the networks, according to the TRAI, this authority told us that there are total 50,000 4G networks are available in India. 4,52,055 networks are those networks which are 5G networks. So these all the networks which are available in our country, in our surrounding, harmed to the birds. Many species like as birds, forest owl, dodo, sparrow are all these birds which are affected by the radiations which is emitted from the towers, which are numbered in our surrounding.
And the radiation are spread in the surrounding of the environment. The radiation are harmful for the human being because most of the parents are without children. This condition are also available by the radiation. And the second point, that is the radiation are spread in the environment, and most of the students are the brain have stroke. Third point, that is in the surrounding of the environment, the honeybee are not found in the area. So how can you say that the mobile phone is useful?
Yes, ma'am. The radiation from the not mobile phone is not harmful. Mobile phone is also very useful for many purposes. The communication.
Mobile phone is very useful for communication, education, research, real-time information, online booking, online shopping, and online payment.
It all depends on the users how they use their phones. If used wisely, mobile phones can be one of the best gadgets and one can fetch its benefits. So what are you saying about the disadvantages of mobile phone?
Get the online payment and that, but you are saying that its quality is not good. The cloth quality is not good when we are using the online payment, online shopping.
Mobile phone. By the mobile phone using people are become very lazy. The mobile phones create a laziness in the people. Suppose if a people go to the market to bring some items, clothes, etc. So he does not like to go physically because he is fully addict on the mobile phone. So I think that mobile phone is also create a laziness in the people.
Yeah.
And as you said that we have to shop with the help of mobile phone, but if we go to market, so our health will be strong and we will be strong physically. And if we shop with the mobile phone, so it is also harm our mental concerns, and it is also happen that we cannot concentrate in our work, and sometimes we forget that what we want to do.
If we go outside to buy something, then we should need some vehicles which make our country financial strong. If we go outside our home, we should need a auto, taxi, etc. Then we should pay them, and this is make our country financial strong.
The mobile phone enables you to buy almost any item you want from various shopping websites. You can place order online whenever you want. Items are delivered at your doorstep by the respective companies.
Mobile phone provide easy access to communication, information, and entertainment.
Mobile phone can be a quick and easy way to contact someone if you need help.
I have found that mobile communication has very hard and costly for the people in the olden days, but today's communication was very easy. If people can communicate with their relatives and friends within seconds by using mobile phone, and it all depends on the user how they use their mobile phones. The distant people can see them through the video calls, Suppose I am Indian, I can do video call in another country through mobile.
Very good.
Mobile phone has many uses. Mobile phone is the biggest change in the modern world.
We can set alarms and reminder on mobile phone.
I already reached the answer of this question.
Ask question again, ask the question करो ना, कोई put up करो. Ask any
How
question.
do smartphone harmful affect student?
Yeah, question ही करो, both sides से question ही करो ना भाई.
As you say, we can use the mobile phone in excessive time, but you can also say we can use the mobile phone in education system. But you know very well that in online classes, almost online classes are minimum 2 and 3 hours, and when all people data of all mobile people users is 6.5 million in our India, and 4.8 million is that who use them mobile phone in education system. That you can also measure the radiation who was spread from the mobile phone.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे.
As you said that we can do banking system from the mobile phone, and we can use payment app, the phone pay app to use to pay with anyone. As we know that the UPI is also discovered. UPI in our India, there is a huge number of UPI which is used in India, but we have also credit card. America is a developed country, but there is a minimum uses of that thing which is by the phone pay. But they use a credit card which is financially strong and economically strong our country.
Only 34% students are using their devices for study purpose. 66% students distracted by the mobile phone. They doesn't even know what they wanted to become in their life.
इनको तो बेटे इधर दोगे ना, एकदम रिप्लाई तो करेंगे. आप समझे करो क्या पूछ रहे हैं, फिर वो हाथ खड़ा.
MDM for education. So for school and education instruction, the tools they need to manage and control the use mobile device within the classroom.
It is another major advantage of mobile phone. Mobile phone can be used to acquire knowledge on information on various topics.
Mobile phone provide access to educational resource, online course and learning apps. Mobile phone is very useful for if anyone fights, then we can make a video through the mobile phone for witness.
But in that time, the old people are busy to make their vlogs. No more can help that. Only for they make vlogs.
This is beneficial.
This is beneficial.
But how can you
If
say?
anyone will be in emergency, and if a person will be in emergency, so no one want to help him or her. He or she starting making the reels. He or she starting making the reels to make them famous in the social media. So if you talk about the communications which we doing with our mobile phone, I give you answer that the distance between us and our relatives is done because of our mobile phone, because we do not give them much enough time to spend with them. So if in the emergency we call to them, they will not come because we do not give them enough time to speak, enough time to our relations. So the relations bonding is too much big because of the mobile phone.
And the Isha Malik killed her husband to famous in the Instagram.
It is a mistake of user.
And she said that it is allowed that mobile phone allowed in schools, but most of the students use the mobile phones to use blog, reels, etc. And we also see in the social media that most of the students posted in their classes video that in which they get more and more likes, shares, and from which they get famous in surrounding us. So it is not good for our health also.
More than 250 students are killed or die because of selfies, because they take selfie during the study time.
सेल्फी पे बोलना बेटे, सेल्फी वाला इशू उठाया उन्होंने.
Photography and video. Mobile phone can take a photo and record video.
But our question is not that. We said that more than 300 students were died because they are taking the selfies from the mobile phone.
Give an evidence.
You can search on the mobile phone.
And it is also in newspaper. You can search on the mobile phone. Then you get the answer.
No. Mobile phone is very important for our study.
And this data is given by
COVID-19. Mostly people can use mobile phone. When we use the mobile phone.
क्लैपिंग.
For online working and but that's not our question. We said that many of the students will die because they are taking the selfie. You can give an evidence. It is.
Do you check the newspaper, please, and search the mobile phone?
This evidence.
Please check the mobile phone. We can attend the online classes, but
स्ट्रांगली बोलो.
when the mobile phone
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं.
अब आप बोलेंगे शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
not like God became the first ICS in the 1865 and the mobile come in the India in 1995.
And the mostly cyber crimes which are mostly cyber attacks which is due to the mobile phone. 97 cyber crimes which are happened in our country are COVID-19.
And it's the data of daily day that more than 2,200 students are through the mobile phones. How can they mobile phone use?
2022 are those people which are hacked by the cyber attacks.
आगे आ जाओ, आगे आ जाओ, तुम यहाँ पे तुम्हें कुछ बोले नहीं आए थे, तुम्हें कुछ बोलने में हाउ खड़ा है।
Per year. So what about those people
One by
who
one,
are hacked
one by
every
one,
day?
one by one.
These are not the poor man or these are not the uneducated person. These are the businessmen and the professional workers who are hacked by the cyber due to because of mobile.
It is a
phone.
mistake of the user. It is not a mistake of the mobile phone. It is not.
How he can responsible for that his or her phone has been hacked? It is not the problem of that person. It is the problem of the mobile phone. It has happened only due to the mobile phone.
And 177 million passwords are those which are hacked by them. If password is hacked someone, then what's our personal information?
And
177 million passwords.
phones.
You have no
You again give the answer.
We are saying
ना आप बदलो क्वेश्चन
Okay.
She has said that it is the mistake of user.
the reason of mobile
She has said
How can it is the mistake of the user? How can it is the mistake of the user?
It is not only the mistake of mobile phone.
If user has not mobile phone, then how can they act without mobile phone? So everything has been done by the mobile phone.
And the sir,
It is the
If user have not mobile, if user have not device, then how can you say that?
suppose,
They can do each and everything.
sir, I say to you, suppose a car driver accident, that is a mistake of car. That is a mistake of driver. Okay.
No. If driver has not mobile phone, then how can that be done?
And you can also know that who's a thing addicted to us. We can use that thing. So mobile phone addicted us.
according to a recent survey which is conducted by
And
the
as you said that
8.4 billion people are addicted with the mobile phone.
And $3.1 billion are spent upon the mobile phone services.
the mobile phone is used by over 7.7 billion people worldwide. Divide that your screen.
Please, the constant ringing in the mobile phone, constant ringing in the mobile phone can create the noisy pollutions, disputing words, communication and behavior
You can
also.
silent your mobile
And
phone.
you cannot
Yes, you can silent your mobile phone. Mobile phone has many features. Mobile phone has many features.
Just a second. But you cannot ignore that fact that by the excessive production of the mobile phone, it is responsible for the environmental pollution. When the mobile, in the taking of the mobile, we need the battery. And the battery is let me complete first. The battery of the mobile phone is made up of the lithium, which contain the toxic material, which is harmful for our environmental.
It is not only the mistake of mobile phone. You have no
It is the mistake of
You have no topic.
एक मिनट you have logic to prove your answer. Do you want to
As you say that, give us proof, so you can give us proof. You should also give us proof.
With yourself.
बहुत अच्छे बोल रहे, वेरी गुड।
With yourself, good safety option. As you said about the criminals, nowadays in social media, most of the Muslim boys and other casted boys requested the girls' ID, and which if they are accepted them, so they are talking with each other. Then after they are attracted with each other, and after some time when he gives her mobile phone for make her happy, which and they both are felt in love, and that's why the girls believed in that boy, and the girls said that it's my life, etc. And she went with them, living their parents.
But it is up to you. How can
you accept the mobile phone request
in a wrong or bad way?
The thing I said that why you use mobile phone? It depends on you how you mobile phone.
But mobile phone has many advantages also.
Advantages has many disadvantages also.
We don't take. No. When there were no any mobiles, so how can they connect with each other? But he made the girls' IDs and request their. And I have a proof. Why can I accept the request? Accept the request. I have a proof. Please accept the request with the girls. Why can I accept the request of girls? The boys requested the girl with the name of girls. They made the girl's name ID. You can block them. You can block them. You can block them. But when we are attracted, it is a mistake of God who gave our Instagram ID.
659 million
It's a mistake of God. It is a mistake of God.
Just a second. Please
Give the ID.
give us a chance. 659 million people are those who are connected with us. Nimisha, Sonia and Marin are those three girls which are captured at that time. The Kerala story you have heard between 2016 to 18. 16 to 18, this story tells about the Muslim boys which is from the another country, Afghanistan. They sent they gave them their seniors gave them contract to capturing those girls. Because of mobile phone, they washed their minds and changed their religion also. They gave marriage to them and sent to another country with their husband, and there are no any news which comes after that story which is come. So these girls' whole life has been.
That is a mistake of God. That is a mistake of God. No. That is a mistake of God. You have no logical answer.
That's the mistake of girls. That's the mistake of girls.
If she is not using this Instagram, then they can call them by the. They can call. They can 71 million phones are supplied to another countries within a year. And you have any logic to say to prove your answer?
Okay. Finally, both team are playing very well. Now we are going only 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
You have only 5 minutes for the decision. So your time is start now.
If I talk about they were surviving their life up to 100 years, but now this time the people are surviving their life 65 to 70 years because of the mobile.
And
Do our mobile
you can say
phone
that
anywhere.
you can say that we can study with the mobile phone. We can use the mobile phone that continuously 5 or 6 hours. We make our eyes weak and we can wear glasses.
You have any logical
Mobile phone has become one of the most important part of our life. We can do any more than to study.
But mobile is the one of the most important thing which is responsible for the wastage of the mobile phone. Yeah.
The whole world is in the mobile phone.
Why can you be living with that mobile phone?
No, it is not possible that people live sick through the mobile phones only. How can you say that?
Yeah, why can you say that?
In the ancient time, people were also living without the mobile phone.
If you don't have the answer of any question, you say that.
How can you say
I ask you the question on the love jihad. You don't give the answer because you don't have the answer of that question.
You are blaming the.
No, we are give.
Love jihad is stopped in August. Love jihad is stopped in August.
It's not stopped. It is from love jihad. So how can you say that love jihad is again?
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे बेटे सब बात वेरी गुड
Girls are captured in their
You are not using mobile.
Don't go personal, be professional. Okay?
No.
Don't go personal. Don't go personal. You are going personal.
You are not using mobile phone.
Why are you going to personal?
Who do not know how to use the mobile phone, that person has been cheated financially, socially, economically. So what do you say? It is the disadvantage of mobile phone. Your turn.
Yes, sir. We are agree for that. But you have knowledge. for use the mobile phone.
We get knowledge through the news, mobile phone. That what are happening in our countries and our cities.
We can
the
find on the
phone.
newspaper. We can find through the newspaper.
But also mobile phone.
But we can also find this knowledge from the newspaper. So
But
why
mobile phone is
we
can
can
get also through the mobile
Our
phone.
mobile phone.
You get knowledge enough
Question is that-
newspaper.
Listen me. Question is that if anybody have no mobile phone, so the scam, online fraud, that person can be saved from the online scam.
In which
so
society-
this is the disadvantage of mobile phone. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes.
They are
What do you say?
No.
What do you say? Yes.
Before sometimes the OBC reservation is cancelled. Why? Because someone tweet on social media that it is against the thinking of Brahmins. For this, the social media is discovered.
Finally, I request Mr. Satish sir to ask the question team member from Jila Singh.
Mobile phone is very important, as you know, everybody.
Yes.
You are saying that you are speaking in disadvantage also. But I think that our country didn't get progressing in the olden time, in the previous time. But nowadays, the whole world is in the mobile, in the pocket. Every work.
Yes.
You can say in the money transfer, everything is going on. And that is the life is going on fast. So how can you say that the mobile disadvantage?
So you said that.
That's why. Okay.
Are you saying that
Yeah.
through the mobile phone our country becoming the developed country?
Yeah.
Our directive is just saying that. Please. So in the ancient time, when the mobile is not exist in this world, our India is known as the Sone ki Chidiya, known as the name of the Sone ki Chidiya, without the mobile phone. And the 3.1 billion are those dollars which are spent upon the mobile phone. And if these money is spent upon the development of the country, so our world or our country becomes the world's greatest country.
And as you said that our India is developing, the patients are developing in the hospitals because they are using the mobile phone and their mental health become weak, so they went to the hospital.
And the mobile phone
distance our studies.
And sir, in the ancient times,
It also decreases our sociability.
Very good.
My grandfather are using the calculation by my mind. And nowadays, my grandfather, most of the students are using the mobile phone by the in the calculation.
my grandmother used
In this
condition,
the memory of my brain is weakness.
would you say that?
My grandmother used the mobile and watched the serial.
And but
Our directors have made a channel information and the knowledge is school
may be
and
many
the
questions.
activity watch the school.
Okay.
We can subscribe this channel. Mobile phone is
बढ़िया बोलो,
most
बढ़िया बोलो,
popular
बढ़िया।
source of entertainment.
Your team has played very well. Now the result is pending. Panelist Mr. Our chairman sir, principal sir and sir will decide who will win and who will be winner and who will be co-winner. Okay? Now please. Our second team is waiting because time is very limited. Time is limited. So give a big clapping for both teams. Give a big clapping. जल्दी रिजल्ट अनाउंसमेंट होगा। जो हमारे रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल सर हैं, चेयरमैन सर हैं, चकवाली से जो हमारे सीनियर मिस्टर सतीश सर, मैडम जी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं किसको विनर किया जाए। बहुत मुश्किल होता है डिसीजन लेना। अच्छा खेले हैं सभी बच्चे, दोनों टीम अच्छा खेली है। बहुत मुश्किल काम है, आप लोगों से भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम है डिसीजन लेना। तो अपनी सांसें थाम करके प्रतीक्षा कीजिए।
जैसे कि आपने एक बहुत बेहतरीन डिबेट का आनंद लिया और इसमें जो पैनल जो हैं डिस्कशन के बाद द विनर फॉर टीम ए इज जिला सिंह तिरपड़ी इंटर कॉलेज। ओके पर ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बहुत आसानी से है। जो चकवाली वाले बच्चे हैं उन्होंने बहुत बेहतरीन फाइट किया और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वो लड़े इस डिबेट के अंदर। और जहाँ तक अब टीम बी की बात है तो टीम बी जो दोनों टीम रही वो बराबर रही। थैंक यू। जिला सिंह तरफ इंटर कॉलेज टीम प्लीज।
दोबारा भी अवसर मिलेंगे आप लोगों को। अगर हम लोग जो हमारे लिए भी काफ़ी मुश्किल था इस चीज़ को डिसाइड करना, मैं सतीश सर से यही बात कह रहा था कि भाई मैं तो अपनी साइड से कुछ कहता नहीं है, आप लोग खुद देखियो जो आपको अच्छा लगता हो। तो सतीश सर का ही व्यू था, मेरे पास ही खड़े हुए हैं, उनका ही व्यू था। मेरी साइड तो मैंने खुद न्यूट्रल रहने की कोशिश करी है कि भाई दोनों टीम अच्छी खेली है मेरी तरफ से। तो मेरी सतीश सर का व्यू था, उदय सर का व्यू जाना हम लोगों ने। फिर हम लोगों ने जब डिसीजन नहीं ले पाए हम लोग, तो हम लोगों ने जैन साहब को बुलाया। जैन साहब न्यूट्रल आदमी है कि भाई हम तो डिसीजन ले नहीं पा रहे कुछ भी इसका कि क्या किया जाए इसमें, क्योंकि अगर एक को कहेंगे दूसरा ये कहेगा ही कि सर ये तो हमारे साथ चीटिंग हुई है। गेम में कोई ना कोई हार कोई ना कोई जीत तो होती है। हम लोगों के अंदर ये भी हिम्मत होनी चाहिए कि हम हार को भी स्वीकार कर सकें और दोबारा फिर संघर्ष कर दोबारा फिर उसको चीज़ें बदल सके। ये कोई आखिरी मोमेंट नहीं है, आखिरी मैच नहीं है कि यहाँ के बाद दुनिया नहीं है। अगले महीने फिर डिबेट हो जाएगी, दोबारा फिर आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना। तो जैन साहब ने भी यही डिसीजन लिया है, कहा कि सर तिरपड़ी वाले बच्चों के जो आंसर थे काफ़ी लॉजिकल थे, चकवाली वाले बच्चे भी बहुत बोले हैं, अच्छा बोले हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने कई बार एक ही चीज़ रिपीट करी है। अगर एक ही चीज़ रिपीट आप बार बार करोगे, इट्स हैव डन बाई ह्यूमन बीइंग, इट्स एरर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, अगर एक बात ही कई बार रिपीट की गई है तो यहाँ पर आपको नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट दिया जाता है, नेगेटिव पॉइंट मिलते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए। तो इसलिए कुछ जो हमारे साथ दूसरे जो हमारे पास गेस्ट आए हुए थे उनकी हेल्प से हम लोगों ने डिसाइड ये किया है कि ये टीम जो जिला सिंह वाली है ये बेहतर है। अंतर बहुत पॉइंटों का अंतर होता है। अगर सोचिए अगर आपको एक पॉइंट अधिक मिला है और एक पॉइंट कम मिला है तो जीत हार तो एक पॉइंट से बन गई है ना। और हम कहें कि जी नहीं एक पॉइंट कैसे मिल गया, क्योंकि ये टोटल डिपेंड करता है जजेस के ऊपर कि वो किस हिसाब से डिसाइड करते हैं, किन पॉइंटों को मार्क देते हैं और किन पॉइंटों पर जाना माइनस पॉइंट आपको मिलते हैं, ये उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। जो ज्यूरी होती है, जो बोर्ड होता है, ये बोर्ड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। तो मैं तो दोनों ही टीमों को अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ। अगर किसी के मन में ये रह गई हो कि कमी है कुछ तो कोई बात नहीं है, उसकी इस सोच का हम स्वागत करेंगे। अगले महीने में एक दोबारा डिबेट होगी, चकवाली में डिबेट होगी। आप बिल्कुल अपनी और प्रिपरेशन करो। हमारा ध्येय किसी को हराना जिताना नहीं है, हमारा ध्येय केवल टीम की भावना बनी रहे, एक ऑनेस्टी बनी रहे। हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि इस खेल की भावना से हम लोग खेलना है। अगर हार गए तो हार को स्वीकार करो और अगली बार और कोशिश करो। जो पॉइंट रहे हैं, जो माइनस पॉइंट रहे हैं जिनकी वजह से हम लोग हारे हैं, उन पॉइंटों को नोट करो, उन पर काम करो और काम करके फिर आगे बढ़ो। दोबारा फिर हमारे अंदर ऊर्जा होगी, दोबारा फिर हम जो है ना अपने मुंह से आग उगलेंगे। हमारी यहाँ पर थॉट्स वार यहाँ पर चलेगी और ये थॉट्स वार जो है ना रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। दोबारा फिर मेहनत करो। ये केवल और केवल एक गेम है, ये लड़ाई नहीं है जिसको आप कहते हैं हाँ हम हार गए हम जीत गए। ये केवल और केवल गेम है। एक एक पॉइंट का बहुत बड़ी वैल्यू होती है। आप देखते हो पॉइंटों में इंसान हारते हैं जीतते हैं, पॉइंटों में टीम हारती है जीतती हैं। अबेकस कंपटीशन हुआ, अबेकस कंपटीशन के अंदर भी यही हुआ है कि फर्स्ट सेकंड के लिए बहुत जबरदस्त टक्कर रही है, दो बहनों की टक्कर रही जबरदस्त। हम लोगों ने पहले ही, मैं जैन साहब को बोल चुका था कि सर बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी के साथ में काम करना है, ईमानदारी ट्रांसपेरेंसी रहनी चाहिए इसमें। कोई ये ना कल कह दे कि हाँ तिरपड़ी गए थे हम लोग वहाँ से जीत कर आए। अगर किसी ने कहना है फिर भी तो कुछ भी कहेगा वो तो उसको तो कोई रोक नहीं पाएगा। लेकिन अपनी साइड से हम लोगों ने जाना पूरी पारदर्शिता बरतने की कोशिश करी है कि हाँ किन किन पॉइंटों पर अंक मिले हैं वो सारे पॉइंट जो है ना आपको यहाँ पर जो जूरी बैठी है ये भी बताएगी और बाद में जो सतीश सर हैं वो भी आपको बताएंगे किन किन पॉइंटों पर माइनस पॉइंट मिले हैं आप लोगों को। भाई प्लस पॉइंट माइनस पॉइंट तो मिलते हैं ना। अगर हम एक बार बहस कराते हैं, कोई बहस लगातार चलेगी हमारी, तो बहस में क्या होगा, बहस तो हम पूरा दिन भी कर सकते हैं। अगर हम लोगों ने मैच को ड्रा कर दिया है लेकिन बराबर बोलना पड़ता है, एक एक पॉइंट को हम लोगों ने बोलना पड़ता है और लॉजिकल बोलना पड़ता है। अगर हम बहस को ऐसे धकेल रहे हैं तो वहां पर हमको माइनस पॉइंट मिल जाता है। अगर एक सेंटेंस को बार बार रिपीट करते हैं, ऐसे सेंटेंस रिपीट किए गए हैं तो वहां पर माइनस पॉइंट दिया गया है चकवाली को। वरना चकवाली वाले बच्चे बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं और उन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की हुई थी। तिरपड़ी वाले बच्चे बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, दोनों टीम अच्छी रही थी। जूनियर वाली में हमारे लिए और मुश्किल था डिसाइड करना कि भाई किसको जिताएं किसको हराएं, तो इसलिए उस टीम को ड्रा किया गया है, उस मैच को ड्रा किया गया है टीम बी वाले मैच को। तो हम दोबारा फिर रखेंगे और दोबारा 3 टीम बनाएंगे, टीम ए, टीम बी और टीम सी। तो हम इस प्रक्रिया को और बढ़ाना चाहेंगे, आपके जोश को, आपकी मेहनत को। हम चाहते हैं कि और अच्छा रंग ले और अच्छा जो है ना रिजल्ट लेकर आइए। इस सोच के साथ में मैं तो अपनी साइड से जो है ना जो हमारे टीम मेंबर्स हैं, हमारे जूरी मेंबर्स हैं फौज साहब बैठे हुए हैं, उदय सर हैं, और जो है ना इधर जैन साहब आए हुए हैं। जैन साहब काफी न्यूट्रल आदमी, दोनों टीम के लिए तो एक ही है, तिरपड़ी की भी चकवाली। इनका डिसीजन फाइनल हम लोगों ने मारकर चले हैं, हमने अपना डिसीजन तो माना ही नहीं है। मैं तो खुद अपने आप में जो है ना बैलेंस लेकर चल रहा था कि मेरे लिए दोनों टीम एक ही है। फिर सतीश सर कहने लगे सर हाँ बात तो यही है कि टीम जो है ना, जो टीम ए है उसके आंसर काफी लॉजिकल थे। अगर आप चाहोगे अपनी गलतियों को चेक करना, जो कह रहे हैं ना सर हमारे साथ चीटिंग हुई है, मैं बिल्कुल इत्तेफाक रखता हूँ उस बात से। अगर आप चाहते हो कि सर हमारे साथ चीटिंग हुई है तो आप इस डिबेट को यूट्यूब पर देखना, आप इस डिबेट को यूट्यूब पर देखना, वहां पर बहुत सारी गलतियां आपको अपनी फाइंड होंगी कि हाँ मैंने क्या बोला है, सामने वाले ने क्वेश्चन क्या किया है, मेरा आंसर क्या था। वहां पर आप अपनी गलती को फाइंड आउट करोगे और उन गलतियों पर काम करना है जो गलतियां आप लोगों ने कही है। बहुत बार ऐसा भी हुआ है, सामने वाले ने क्वेश्चन कुछ और किया, आंसर कुछ और मिल रहा है, ये भी गलती रही है। तो खैर जो भी मैं गलतियां गिनवाना नहीं चाह रहा हूं, यहाँ पर गलती गिनवाने के लिए आपकी टीम जो आपके साथ आए हुए टीचर्स आए हैं वो गिनवाएंगे गलती। तो यहाँ पर तो मैं दोनों टीमों को अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ, टक्कर बहुत जबरदस्त थी। अगर हार भी है तो बहुत पॉइंटों से, बहुत ही जो है ना पॉइंटों से हार है, बहुत ही कम पॉइंटों से हार है। अगर जीत है तो बहुत कम पॉइंटों से जीत है। अगली बार फिर, और अगली बार इस डिबेट से हम लोग को ये भी सीख मिलती है कि अगली बार जूरी मेंबर बाहर के बुलाए जाएं, ताकि कल कोई बच्चा अक्सर मेरे साथ चीटिंग हुई है ऐसे बिल्कुल ना बोल सके। क्योंकि एक जो जूरी बैठी होती है, एक सवाल ऐसा करने से इस पूरी जूरी पर जो है ना एक क्वेश्चन मार्क लग जाता है कि इसका मतलब है कि ये आदमी काबिल आदमी नहीं है जो आपको जज कर रहे हैं। जो अनुभवी आदमी बैठे हुए हैं वो ऐसे नहीं है। अगर चीटिंग होती तो चीटिंग अबे कसम होती, फिर तो अबे को फर्स्ट सेकंड मिलता ही नहीं उनको, फिर तो फर्स्ट सेकंड जिला सिंह आता। तो ऐसी कोई सोच नहीं होती है। हम लोग चाहते हैं, हम लोग क्या कोई भी, कि जहां पर विद्यालय में हुआ है वहां पर पूरी ट्रांसपेरेंसी बरती जाए, वरना उंगली खड़ी होती है उसके तरफ कि शायद इन्होंने जो है ना मैच फिक्स ना कर लिया हो। ऐसी कोई बात नहीं होती है। प्रैक्टिस त्रिपुड़ी वालों की बहुत जबरदस्त प्रैक्टिस थी और ये काफी लंबे समय से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। इनकी डिबेट काफी लंबे समय से चल रही है। चकवाली की डिबेट थोड़े कम समय की है, शायद इसलिए कम समय की वजह से जो है ना माइनस पॉइंट कुछ मिल गए होंगे इनको। अबेकस की बात की जाए, अबेकस की तैयारी चकवाली की ज्यादा है, उनकी लंबी तैयारी है। तिरपड़ी वालों की तैयारी थोड़े कम समय की है, इसलिए तिरपड़ी वाले वहां पर भी कोई खास अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे पाए हैं और अब भी थर्ड पोजीशन पर आए हैं। लेकिन उनकी क्या नाम, कंपटीशन को, उनकी मेहनत को हम लोग नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही कम पॉइंटों से हारे हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी टक्कर दी है। 50 में से 40 क्वेश्चन, 40 नंबर 4 बच्चों के थे, तो 4 बच्चों के 40 नंबर आने, ये भी तो एक मतलब बहुत कमाल का कंपटीशन है। तो हम लोग इस प्रतिभा को, इस खेल को, इस विधा को, इस टैलेंट को और निखारने के लिए इसको लगातार और आगे लेकर जाएंगे। तो मैं सभी से कहना चाहूँगा, जो आपको हुई है, आपको हार लग रही, हार नहीं होती है, गेम है ये। गेम में जो है ना आपको माइनस पॉइंट मिले, उनको प्लस पॉइंट मिले, तो प्लस पॉइंट मिले क्यों मिले हैं उनको नोट करिए और मेहनत करिए, और माइनस पॉइंट मिले तो क्यों मिले हैं उनको स्वीकार करिए और दोबारा टीम की भावना होनी चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग जो है ना बिगड़ कर भाग लें वहाँ से और नाराज होकर हम लोग चल पड़े वहाँ से। तो मैं चाहूँगा कि जो चकवाली वाले हैं वो तिरपड़ी वालों को अगर जीत मिली है टीम में, तो टीम वाले मेंबर आकर इनको हैंडशेक करके जो है ना इनको बधाई दे जीत के लिए, और अगली बार के लिए आमंत्रण करें इनको चकवाली के लिए। चकवाली आइए और चकवाली हम और मेहनत से जो है ना जीत हासिल करेंगे और आपका स्वागत करेंगे हम लोग। खिलाफी के बाद जोरदार।
सबसे पहले मैं अपने सर को सॉरी बोलना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि ये हमारे सीनियर है जिसके कारण हम मतलब जीत नहीं पाए। तो हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि अगली बार हम ही फर्स्ट पोजीशन लेके आए।
बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Stumbles cannot make you fall and hard work cannot defeat you. If you have even in you life in you, then even defeat cannot defeat you. It means ठोकरें आपको गिरा नहीं सकती, मेहनत आपको हरा नहीं सकती। अगर आपके अंदर जिद हो ना तो आपको हार भी हरा नहीं सकती। थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छा। बेटा कुछ आप लोग भी कहना चाहोगे अपने साइड से इस टीम के लिए? शगुन। यस बोलो।
सॉरी।
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा खेले आप लोग, बहुत अच्छा। बोलो बेटे दो शब्द शगुन।
First of all, I would like to pay thanks to all of you who are gathered here for accepting our proposal. So first thing is, before win or loss, you are thankful to that you are come here and start debate and do debate between us. In spite you know that we are your seniors, we are in the above class than you, but the main point is that you are here and fight with us. Win or loss is another way to achieve anything, but but I am very thankful to you that you come here and do debate. This was the main point, and I will really appreciate you, and I am very thankful to you to come here. Thank you.